Hi friends, today I want to show you in a simple and clear way how to easily make a paper boomerang. It really flies, but only if you throw it correctly. And all we need is a simple sheet of ordinary A4 paper and scissors. From one sheet of paper we can make 2 boomerangs. We need to cut our sheet exactly in half horizontally. You can just fold it in half evenly. And I will be cutting this using a ruler. And we cut it into 2 pieces. We end up with 2 rectangles. We take one of them and start with the first step. We need to fold our rectangle in half, again lengthwise. Next we unfold it. We have a line marked here, and we need to fold it to that line. Both sides, just not all the way to the end, meaning not right on the line, but a little bit away from it. Literally about 1 millimeter should be away from the center line. We do the same with the other side. From the center line again, but not all the way to the end. Just a little short to the line. It turns out that we see that there is a small gap here. Very small. Now we need to fold in half our figure. So it looks like this. And where we have the connecting part, we make these kinds of folds and creases on one side. On the other side, now we need to carefully and completely unfold our figure with the creases. And unfold one part. One we can see is folded. Here we have a square. And here, pay attention, many people have difficulties. Now we need to fold it into the shape of a boomerang, that is, with a corner on our figure. I'll show you how to do it. It's easier. First, fold this side and fold it like this with your fingers. So like this with the fold, not straight here, you'll hold it like this. Here, you need to mark this line. This one straight, and we fold along it. The left, or rather the right part, like this. We end up with this kind of fold, and we have an angle. Look, if you don't do this, if you don't fold this part with your hand, then you'll run into difficulties. You won't be able to fold it evenly. It won't work out. You'll get nervous and write not so great comments. Look, you folded it with your left hand. Fold the right side along this line. That's it. You'll manage just fine. Look, we just end up with a little triangle here. You must, at the right angle, this is how it should fold. From the back it looks like this. We're folding it up. And this part we just, on the left, we fold it down. At the bottom, up, and straighten it out. Ends up at the top like this. The corner. Next we need to fold this part back. That's exactly what we're doing from the bottom. We fold it. And here the corner straightens itself out. And the very last thing is to unfold it like this and wrap it up into this pocket. just hide our side in there, we will end up with a finished boomerang. A ready-made boomerang. This is what it looks like on the other side, its front side. Now we just need to fold our edges into the corners. Here's our first edge. Here we have the loose edges. Here is the separate part. So where we have the loose edges, we fold them. Corner. We carefully draw the line. Then we unfold it. And we unfold one part from the inside. We can see that we have bends here like this inward at an angle. We simply need to hide the middle line of our corner inside. Along lines. To create something like this. Corner. Now, it's straight. And tuck our loose single edge into this pocket. One side is ready. Let me show you on the other side as well. Here are our loose edges. We fold it into a corner. We carefully draw the lines because depending on how we do it, it will be easier for us. Let's keep working. We unfold it and see a single sheet, which will eventually be tucked into a pocket. Next, we open up the inner part. We have carefully drawn an inward angle like this, precisely the middle line. We need to tuck it inside. We have a pocket, and into this pocket, we hide this one, our single one, leaf, and we end up with a little corner. All done. Our boomerang is ready for launch. You can make a lot of colorful boomerangs to play with your friends. And now I want to show you how to launch a boomerang. Remember, it's a paper boomerang, not a real one. And if you just throw it like that, of course it won't come back. So we take it like this, with the front side facing up. From the back we see it like this. We take it by the corner, the middle one plays, and we throw it like this so that it spins. So we don't just throw it, but we toss it so that it spins. Look here. We just throw it so that it spins. Look, watch this. Let's watch it one more time. We spin it initially. Hard. We see it comes back. And we try again. I hope this video was helpful and interesting for you. If yes, give it a like, support the channel and subscribe. Wishing you all the best. See you soon.